right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and I love triggering ESOs. All right, let me make this statement first and foremost. If you're not an ESO, 90% of my videos shouldn't trigger you. If you're not an ESO, you shouldn't get pissed off at me because I'm not talking about you, but yet I trigger a lot of shop owners. Now, recently I did a video talking about pay disparity between service advisors and technicians. Now, that video was shared into a Facebook group that I'm not going to name. The guy that posted it said some nice things about the video and agreed with me on several cases. The shop owners in that Facebook post were hilarious. In fact, one of them even admitted he didn't watch the video, but then wrote a long diatribe about how I was wrong without actually watching the content. All he did was draw his conclusions based on what other people in that post said. He said that, by the way, about the video that they also didn't watch. It's hilarious to watch how many of these shop owners got informed without the information from the actual video. They drew their conclusions from other people that didn't watch the video because they went on the title and thumbnail of the video and basically didn't even read what the guy posted about the video. Now, my policy has always been on my channel, you can disagree with me all you want, and I will not delete your comment until it gets personal, until you personally attack me. You call me names, you call me things like dullard. Now, to give an example, when you pull out a word like dullard, you're just compensating. But, you know, I won't even get into the moderation of that particular Facebook group because there was actually several egregious things said about me in that group that were not dealt with. And I think that's a sign of that group. And don't get me wrong, there were other people that watched the video and did agree with me. In fact, there was one commenter that commented on how they were drawing their conclusions on that video because they didn't watch the video. It's amazing to me with these ESOs, they will spend their precious time trying to degrade me and tell me how I'm wrong without watching the video. And one poster said, I'm not giving him the view. Then don't post your opinion about it then. If you didn't watch the video, which is fine. You don't like my content, you don't want to watch my content, don't. I don't care. Doesn't matter to me. But if you didn't watch the video, your opinion really, really doesn't matter because you're uninformed and stupid. It's no better than somebody that read the title of a book and then published a review of it. You didn't read the book. How do you know what the book is? How do you know what the video is if you didn't watch the video? And FYI, pretty obvious on who watched the video and who didn't, because most of them just went off the title and it's obvious they didn't watch the video. But, you know, it's fun. It is really fun for me to trigger these ESOs because it's hilarious how stupid they make themselves look. But of course, it's a big old circle jerk, so everybody's patting everybody on the back for ganging up on me. And I'm sitting here laughing at them because they literally didn't watch the video. They just straight up didn't get the point. But I thought I got my point pretty well across because other people got the point. And, you know, it's either their biases or hatred of me, or they didn't watch the video. And the thing is they're not debating me on the content of the video. They're debating on the content of my title and thumbnail. You just can't make this stuff up. So as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.